Flaming Money Production presents to you Julia the Great!
Oh, sorry ladies and gentlemen, didn't see you there. Alright, so, today with math, wonders of math actually, we're going to be working on 14a. And the question says, the bank sells $1 Canadian for 1.5485 euros and buys $1 Canadian for 1.5162 euros. A customer wishes to exchange 800 Canadian dollars for euros. So, A, it's going to say, find how many euros the customer will receive. And since the bank will be buying the money from the customer, it's going to be $1 Canadian for 1.5162 euros. So, we're going to start out with that. Alright, so what we're going to have to do to get this is take the Canadian dollars that he already has, which would be 800, and we're going to have to times that by 1.5162, which will get us 1,212.96 euros. Can you see that? Sorry, my handwriting's not the best. Alright, so we've got A, now we've got to move on to B. B says the customer has to cancel his trip and change his money back later when the rates are sells $1 Canadian equals 1.5546 euros and buys $1 Canadian which equals 1.5284 euros. And this question's nice because it says use the we sell information to find how many Canadian dollars he receives. So we already know what we're going to be doing. So it's $1 Canadian equals 1.5546 euros for this equation. So now what we're going to have to do is take the money of euros from A and go 1,212.96 euros, well, can't forget that, divided by 1.5546 to get that. And it is 780.24 Canadian dollars. So it has now been exchanged back into Canadian dollars. Alright, so that will be B. If you understand that, I hope you do. Now we're going to have to erase that. Sorry, folks. Alright. So what we got from the last one was 780.24, because that's going to be important in the next question. Alright, so what we have right now is 780.24 Canadian dollars. And for C, it says how many Canadian dollars has he lost in the transaction. So we're going to have to go from the original amount of Canadian dollars, which was 800. And then we're just going to basically subtract what he has now, which is 780.24, which, ladies and gentlemen, equals 19.76 Canadian dollars. And that's how you solve the problem. There you have it, folks. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.